In this video, I will show you to easily add ChatGPT on Discord. Now, it's pretty easy to do, just make sure you follow this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Without further ado, the first thing we want to do to add ChatGPT on Discord is we actually just want to go to our local web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Safari, and then once you are on your web browser, Google, Firefox, Chrome, whatever, you want to just type in Discord bot list. Now, once you type this in, it's going to come up like this. You're going to have a few different options, but we actually just want to click on Discord bot list. It's the second results from discordbotlist.com. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you can see we have a couple different bot options, but what we want to do is we just want to go to the search panel and search for ChatGPT. Now it's going to give you a bunch of different options, but the option that we actually want to use is we want to use this one. It's called ChatGPT it currently has an orange logo, multi-purpose fun. This one, once you do that, you just click on it. It's going to take you to this page right here, and we just want to click on the Add ChatGPT Discord bot. Now once you do this, you can actually just select the server that you want to add this to. Remember, you have to be the admin or have some executive role to do this. In this case, I selected my server. Click continue. Click continue again. You can allow it or disallow it to do certain things. Then you click authorize. Once you do that, you can go back to your server like so. And as you can see, we now have this ChatGPT function. And how you actually access it is you can either create a text channel for it like so. You can call it ChatGPT, create channel. Then you just do /help, click enter, and send this to the chat. And once you do that, you can just GPT, and then you can ask it whatever question you want. And simple as that. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below.